What is going on, guys? It is the professional Dillweed here, and welcome to the first day of a week of shenanigans. And we are kicking things off by taking the Jeep out. This is the first time that this thing has been started in maybe a year and a half, so let's hope that things go smoothly. All right, let's try this out. All right, we're gonna get this thing started. I'm gonna choke it until it calls me daddy. Gonna pull in or put in the key and alright, that went a little smoother than expected. Alright, so
you're good.
Alright, so today's plans is we're gonna teach this thing how to run we're gonna teach this thing how to drive a Polaris RZR. So have you ever driven anything like the Polaris RZR before?
No, my dad has it, but he won't let me ride it, and I'm too scared to anyways.
Well, we're gonna change that today. I mean, do you have any driving experience? Like, at least driven a go-kart?
Oh yeah, I've driven a go-kart before.
Alright, so there's... Alright, so fast. Yeah, okay, it was going maybe 25.
Yeah.
And tomorrow, I'm gonna teach you how to ride the Z125. Jeeba-leeba. Ah, yes. Getting out to paved road. This is a delicacy out here. What? Traffic? What is this? So you guys might be wondering, for my vacation, I don't get very many vacation days. I could have gone on a cruise, could have gone to the beach, but I came here because of this thing. Oh, there's a car behind us. Speed up. Alright guys, slow down for the train tracks. Stop on the brakes to the floor. We're just driving around the purgatory that is known as Nebraska and just kind of taking a beating from these roads, but a little bit later is whenever we're going to take things out. So yeah, I'll get to you then. Alright, so we're gonna teach little Dillweed Jr. here how to drive one of these. I mean, it's kind of a straight shot, so hopefully there's not much to mess up. So, this will be fun. Alright, so just to make sure nothing really gets out in your eyes, here's some glasses. Alright, let's get in this thing.
How do you open it?
It's right there.
This?
Yeah.
How do you move the seat up?
Oh, there's this.
Oh, okay.
There you go. A natural already.
The doors don't close automatically.
It's not a Ferrari. Slam it shut.
Alright.
All right, so put your foot on the gas, or not the gas, my bad.
Okay.
Put it on the brake.
Just like set it there.
You go press it down
Okay.
and turn the key all the way. You're supposed to let it.
Sorry.
And to make it go forward, you're gonna put it all the way back. There,
Like that?
there you go, muscles. All right, so give it just a little bit of gas so we can get going. Okay. Jeez, no, this isn't like that go-kart you drove.
Yeah, because you have to press really hard on the go-kart one for it to go.
Yeah, this has a good amount of power, so just be a little careful. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my God!
Holy crap, dude, this thing's fast.
Yeah, a little bit, isn't it? Oh, holy! Ah! No! Why did I let you do this? No! Oh, jeez.
Dude, this thing's nice. I should get one.
I hate you. Where the heck did you learn to drive something like this? Like that?
I don't know. I just kind of pointed in one direction and hope for the best.
you realized you could have killed us both.
Yeah.
That's a risk he is willing to take. So, I mean, I guess tomorrow I'm going to have to teach you how to ride this thing.
Yeah?
All right. So with everything out of the way, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was kind of cringy, but I've tried to make it a little bit funny at the same time. Let me know what you guys think, what you want to see. Pretty much anything out of this shop we will rip around on. Right, Mr. Dillweed? Mr. Dillweed Jr.? All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.